Next party, you're going to wait behind the yellow, or we'll see you now. Gather around the dying fire. All the way in, all the way up.
When hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that's the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with foolish delight.
Step all the way into the chamber.
We're supposed to go to the dance center.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
At this time, drag your bodies away from the walls into the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course. There's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later.
All the way across the whole dance space.
Look alive, and we'll continue our tour. And let's all stay together.
To take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Once on board, remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and watch your children please. Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and do not pull down the safety bar, please. I will hold it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only and quietly seek at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, Final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. Unlivable here in this house. Every room has wall to wall, and hot and
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, hail of a rat, warm into spirits.
The happy ones have received your sympathetic vibrations, pervading the materialized, with a resembling organoid swing and wake, unexpected.
Start to shriek!
And just in time.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home. Ha!